just live with the situation. Because it kind of looks like it's just going to continue to be a congestion day. Okay, let's see. I would say that closed correctly. So I'd be looking to get long here at 54, 53. So I've got an order at 54, 52, 75. And look, if it's going to bomb straight down and through all this, then it's going to be wrong. I've got 8 micros. And the stop is going to be like, 40 and a half. I just got it at 40 for now. And let's see, this is going to be wrong if this is going to go for congestion exit to the downside, which it could. So I'm filled. And now I'll also monitor this because I really want to see the buying come in here. And if the buying doesn't come in and we start to collapse, then I would just bail on this. I don't necessarily have to take a 10-point loss, right? So far, the initial reaction after getting filled got filled pretty much at the low, right there at those DMLs. The initial reaction is correct, but doesn't mean, see, now we're coming back down. We want the 15 now to push back up above the middle of the envelope here. I really don't want to see 50 breaking down. So I'm long from 52.75, and if I start to see like 50 breaking down, I probably cut it. The target is going to be up around, these highs. There's my long. You guys can see 8 ES micros on this one Tradify. So now we want to get up and through the middle of the VolPro Edge envelope on the hourly. We want the 15-minute to now go for, it is in congestion, the 15. So we want the 15 to push back up above these highs. Once we get a little further, I'll probably, I haven't physically moved my stop to break even, but mentally I'm kind of there because, the party should be started now. The short should not be liking this if this is going to continue to go higher. So if it comes back to my entry, I would be happy to take a break even here. So basically we're in a free trade at this moment. Nice, Supreme. Like even right now, not a bad trade. Up like 620, 630. But I'm going to hold. Mentally, I'm at break even. We start to push up there toward like 54.90. Probably be looking to take profit up there. Nice little buying coming in there. So you can see over here. I'm up almost $1,000, which is, not bad. I could just wanted to push up to these DMLs here a little. I don't want to cut this too soon. Like 89-ish is probably not a bad spot. So like 7 more points. All right, I'm cutting it there. I took profit. And the reason I took profit is because we had a pretty quick push up there. And look, I think it's going to go a little higher, but that was just such a clean trade. I mean, you guys saw, live in real time, guys, how we structured this trade and basically got filled long at the low there because of our DMLs on the hourly, on the 15-minute. I mean, I'd say that was a good example of how to trade congestion action with your VolPro Edge congestion playbook, right? Yeah, bottom tick that one. Thanks, man. That's nice. And I think it's going to push a little higher, so probably could have held it. But, we got from one side of the envelope here on the 15 to the other side. I think we are going up here. But oftentimes, too, when it moves quick like that and, you got your money, I'm always on the mindset like I'm happy to make my money. So on that particular trade right there, let's go ahead. So I'm only trading these, one account at a time, right? So made $1,100 on this particular Tradify, right? Because that one was down like $400, and now we're up, $650 or whatever. So now on the next trade we find, I will flop from that Tradify to number 11. I'm going to keep rotating these trade by trade by trade. So like in a few weeks, we'll see how we did.